So really you ain't gonna hit me back, yeah. Now it's all just you got me on blast, damn. You're over it, I've been done. We're so toxic, can't get enough. Ooh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never, we could never, we could never be friends. You feel a type of way, well that's fantastic. Nothing that's
We're just at Barn Hill and we've got to keep the cows out.
we're so done. It never ends. You having fun. Oh, I'll go and say it like a mantra. You know what you want, do ya? Oh, hell no, I won't play the monster, no matter what you tell yourself. I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends.
This is us for the night. We've just paid $45 for a water views site. You could pay $35 for unpowered, or there's $45 restricted power, which means you can't use like your hot water system, anything that could trip the power. You can pay $48 for unrestricted power. But those sites are in premium and we're in school holiday time, so we wouldn't be able to get one of those sites. But this is great, you know, we're going to stay hooked up. We're only here for one night and there's our view. It's a good community, like there seems to be something on every night. Tonight's bowls.
I'm living the best that I can, but fate never followed my plans. I'm holding you back, so I want you to pack up and grow.
There's little old us, and the beach isn't too far away.
Oh, 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 oh. Everything you've done is great, but your back has been feeling exhausted from...
Just along the beach up from Barn Hill is Barn Hill Lost City. It's very similar in a mini version to the Lost City in Litchfield National Park.
Think of me fondly, but please move beyond me and go. There's so much that you want to do. The world is just waiting for you, but I'm holding you down from the dreams that you found in a life that you left when we met. So please just escape before my resolve goes away, and I ask you to stay.
Bowls is quite popular. This cairn was put here by an early explorer in the 1800s.
We were good, we were cold, kind of dream that can't be sold. We were right till we weren't, built a home and watched it burn. I didn't wanna leave, I didn't wanna lie, started to cry but then remembered
fairly good area for fishing. You've got your hose, you could wash your boat down and fillet your fish. They've got an actual proper dump point here too, down the road. Just down there. Proper dump point. We followed Beach Road and it leads to where you can launch your boat off the beach. It looks quite accessible, Greg.
Star, baby, 'cause in the dark you can't see shiny cars. That's when you need.
Our last gate, there's 3 gates, we're 10k in off the road, but it's been a lovely stay. Really recommend Barn Hill.
Your friend took an oath and I'm sticking out to the end.